Good morning, children. In today's English class, let's learn English grammar topic articles. As we all know, there are 26 letters in English. They are called as alphabet. So, we have divided these 26 letters into two groups based on their sounds. They are vowels and consonants. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And remaining all 26 letters are called consonants. So, this article's topic is dependent upon vowels and consonants. We use articles depending upon the sound of the letters. Okay, now let's get into the topic. There are three articles in English grammar. What are they? They are a, an, and the. What are articles, students? Articles are words used before nouns and modifies noun. Modifies means changes. And articles sometimes functions as adjectives. Sometimes articles work as adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. So articles are specific or general. Sometimes articles may be specific, sometimes it may be general. Types of articles. There are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite articles. The is called as a definite article and a and an are called as indefinite articles. So, the is used when we are specifying something or if something is unique, then we use the before that word. And a and an we use in a general term. First, let's compare articles a and an. We use a before words which begin with consonants. So, already we have learnt that there are 21 consonants. So, whenever the word begins with consonants, then we have to use article a before the word. A doctor, a big car, a girl. Here, doctor is a noun and it is a singular. It is singular, means only one person. Okay. So, when there is a noun and singular and D is a consonant, we have to use A before this word. And a big car. Here a big car is also a noun. Car is a noun, big is an adjective. Right. So, before this we used A because B is a consonant and it is a singular noun. A girl. Here also G is a consonant and it is a singular noun. A doctor, a big car and a girl. We also use a before you when it sounds like the word you and before ye you. Usually what we have learned? We have learned U is a vowel sound, right? But here when U is pronounced as YOUU, then we have to use article A before that word. And when EU is pronounced as YOU, then also we have to use article A before that word. So here one word is given. What is that? University. University, how we are pronouncing it? We are pronouncing university. Okay. So before university, we have to write article A university, because U is sounding as U only. It is not sounding as A. Correct, no? So we have to write a university. Suppose union. There also we are pronouncing U as U only. So we have to write the article A before that word. So a union, a university, a union. Sometimes EU also sounds as U, YOU only. Then also we have to write A before the word. So here European, EU. How we are pronouncing it? We are pronouncing it as U only. So before that we have to write article A European city. Okay. Next, let us see an. We use an before words which begin with vowel sound. Okay, so what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So whenever we use an, that word should be vowel, start with vowel sound. An apple. So here apple. Apple is a noun and it is a singular. So an apple. A is a vowel sound. So before this we are writing an. Like that. An interesting film. Here I. How we are pronouncing I here? E. Interesting. So it is a vowel sound. So an interesting film. We also use an before words that begin with a silent H. So, in some words, some letters are not pronounced. They are called silent letters. Okay, before that silent H, we have to write an. Let us see the example. Our, Hour. Usually H. So, how to pronounce hour? But here H is silent. So, we are pronouncing as our. O. So, O is a vowel sound. So, we have to write an before this hour. An hour. Okay. House. Here there is H letter. How we are pronouncing it? House. Ha. Ha sound only we are pronouncing. So before this H we have to write a. See children, one more time. Here in our we are not pronouncing the letter H. We are not saying that H. It is a silent letter in our. So before our we have written an. Here in house, H is not silent letter. Here we are pronouncing it. So before house, because it is a H is a consonant here, we are writing article A before house. A house. An hour, a house. Next, let's compare a, an and the. Mary, I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. Joe, was the CD player expensive? So here CD player. CD player is a singular noun. So C is a consonant. So before that we have written article A CD player. Okay. I bought a CD player and a TV yesterday. So here in the second sentence, was the CD player expensive? Why we have written the before CD player here? Because here we are specifying the CD player. So in the previous sentence, we talked about two things, CD player and TV. We have not specified anything. That is why we have used a before CD player. But in the next sentence, we are specifying the CD player. Was the CD player expensive? So here when we are specifying CD player, we have to use article the before the word. We usually use a or an with a noun to talk about a person or thing for the first time. So this is also one of the rule for using article a or an. So how it is? When we talk about a noun or a person, noun means a person or place or thing. Then when we are talking for the first time, we use a or an. Okay. For example, CD player, a CD player. CD player is a thing. It is a noun. So, a CD player. We usually use the when we talk about the person or thing again. So, when to use the? Because we use the when we talk about a person or thing again. Repeatedly, if we talk, then we use the before that word. The CD player is equal to the one that Mary bought. So, the CD player. The CD player, first time we have used a CD player because we used it for the first time. When we are using it for second time, the CD player means the one that Mary bought. So, we have used the before the CD player. We use a or an before 100, 1000 and million. Okay. So, how to use it? 100 people. 100. 100 is a singular. There is no plural or singular for that. 100 is only one word. Okay. 100 people. 1,000 days. So, before 100 and 1000 or million we use a. We use the when there is only one of something. Okay, only one, unique. As I said, no, unique. So we use the before something we use as unique. May I turn on the TV? Here we are specifying TV. So before that specification we should use article the. May I turn on the TV? So we are specifying about TV. So before TV we should use article the. Here, where is Mary? She's in the kitchen. Where is Mary? She is in the kitchen. Here we are specifying kitchen. So before kitchen we should write article the. We use the with musical instruments. I play the guitar. So before musical instruments we have to use article the. I play the guitar. Jane plays the violin. Okay. So before musical instrument we use definite article the. Okay children. I hope all of you understood the difference between a, an and the. I will give you examples for this. All of you do that. Thank you children. Bye.